Hello everybody, this is Nancy with Nancy's Foodie channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make one of my mom's recipe, and that would be the oyster sauce braised mushroom, shiitake mushroom. And I always love her braised mushroom, so she normally just make it plain, a dish that you can eat over white rice. But today I was thinking about using maybe lettuce, you know, the mushroom over the lettuce. I don't have any. And then I was thinking maybe some bok choy. I don't have any. So you know what? I thought about what would pair up. I'm going to do vermicelli noodles. I think that pairs up nicely, and I hope you like it. And if you do, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and share on my YouTube channel, please. Thank you. Bye.